If your humidifier is not getting water, here are the 4 most probable causes. On flow-through humidifier models, the water supply line connects to a water inlet valve. The valve stays open and allows water to continuously flow into the humidifier when the blower fan is running and humidity is needed. A defective inlet valve may prevent water from entering the humidifier. You can use a multimeter to test the inlet valve for continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the part. If the valve tests negative for continuity, it's defective and should be replaced. It's also possible the valve is clogged with mineral deposits. Since cleaning inlet valves is usually not effective, replacing the valve with a new one is the best choice. On reservoir-style humidifiers, the water supply line connects to a float and valve assembly, which maintains a specific water level in the reservoir pan. If the assembly malfunctions, water may be prevented from entering. Again, a new float and valve assembly can be installed to solve the problem. Often, a saddle valve is used to allow water to flow through the supply line to the humidifier. Over time, the valve can become clogged with sediment and calcium deposits. A new saddle valve is relatively inexpensive and usually easy to install. If the humidistat is incorrectly set or isn't working properly, the humidifier won't fill with water. Try turning the humidistat to the highest setting and listen for a click. If you do not hear a click, then the contacts in the humidistat are not closing and the part should be replaced with a new one. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your humidifier.